Hello everyone. First open your Telegram, open your channel. On the top, tap on your channel profile. On the top, tap on three dot, tap on statics. Now, if your channel have more than 1000 members and it's public channel and you update your Telegram, you see monetization icon. Tap on it. In this panel, you can see how much you earned from showing ads in your channel. And Telegram will share 15% of the revenue from ads displayed in your channel. If you tap on learn more, you see this information. Also, Telegram will pay channel owners with Tone. Tone is blockchain platform, and in the coming weeks you will be able to collect your reward using Fragment is a third-party platform used by advertisers to pay ads. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.